This certainly isn't a gazillion-dollar dispenser, but it is one you need to know about. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, do we have to do upside down video? There we go, finally we focused. Alright, the one on the left is Hungary. The one on the right is Czech Republic. So that means both of these were made in different countries. So because we have different countries, we have different molds. Look at the ears on this one. Really, really thin ears. Now, look at the one from Hungary. The rounded ears. Now let's go back over here to the Czechoslovakia, I said. Czech Republic. And look, there is no tab on the back of the head for you to put your thumb on to help dispense the candy. And here on the Hungary dispenser, they do have the tab. So there's a couple different mold variations there. Let's go ahead and compare the printing. Printing looks pretty much the same, but there are head differences. Do you have these differences in your collection? No matter how small these differences are, it's a lot cheaper way than if you have everything and your next one's a $1,000 dispenser to, find one of these cheapies that help fill a hole. So until next time...